Business depends on digitization to improve performance for just about everything. And for manufacturers, there's one important part. Digital twins are a common way to digitally represent physical products. They'll tell you just about anything about a product if the right data is there. These days, everybody adds environmental features to digital twins and gives them names like digital passports. That's good, but there are problems. Digital data often gets lost along the supply chain. It's expensive to get data from suppliers and add it to different forms. The systems that have this information don't share the same digital language. That's causing problems for manufacturers because while many countries are passing circular economy laws, and the International Organization for Standardization is working on a standard, digital twins are missing data required to conform with those. There's also a hidden problem. Being green doesn't always mean being circular. It often doesn't tell you how much recycled or recyclable material is in your product, how to reuse it, or how to take it apart. What's needed is an easy, standardized way of sharing basic data about those circular values. The PCDS does exactly that. It contains a list of statements describing the qualities in a user-friendly yes-no format. It has guidance for each statement. It doesn't require confidential data. It's machine readable. It automatically assembles a lot of the data. The PCDS has 5 basic sections. General information like the ID number and manufacturer, composition, including, for example, the amount and type of recycled content, or if the product does or doesn't contain substances of very high concern. Design for better use. Can it be maintained or repaired by untrained personnel where it's used? Design for disassembly. Can it be dismantled to component material level or demounted with reversible connectors? And finally, design for reuse with minimal modification, or for composting in a composter for products designed to be released into the environment. The PCDS has many functions and benefits. It uses standardized terms and formats. It's open source and auditable. It's based on global standards. It has secure, trustable data. It's interoperable between data platforms and systems. This saves time and costs. It also lets suppliers know how to design their products for the circular economy. The PCDS works like this. Download the form with a unique ID attached to it. Fill in the product identification. Reply to the statements with a yes or no. Publish the PCDS on your website, and that's it. From there, it's available to everyone in a secure format. The PCDS fits into existing supply chain systems and circular economy data platforms. Everyone across the product supply network can access it. A supplier can issue a PCDS. A producer can use multiple PCDS from suppliers to produce its own PCDS for a combined product. This information is used by product databases, distributors, customers, and eventually recyclers. Who owns it? You do, the company that created it. You don't lose control over your data. To test the PCDS, just download it for free, and to have it checked, contact us here. And that's the PCDS, a digital fingerprint for circular qualities of products, developed for everybody globally by the Ministry of the Economy of Luxembourg in collaboration with major industrial players, platforms, and non-governmental organizations.